Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to install or set up local n8n. Okay, to install n8n, you can install it on your laptop or any machine. For this, you can install on your Windows machine or any Linux machine. Okay, in this video, we are going to install n8n on Windows machine, but here I am using Windows Subsystem Linux, that is WSL. Okay, this is my Windows machine. I want to install n8n on this machine. First, you have to install the WSL Windows Subsystem Linux on your Windows machine. It is very simple. To install the WSL, just click on CMD, and here you can install the WSL. I have already installed WSL. You can install it by using WSL -- install. I have already installed by using this command. Okay. First, you have to open the WSL. Okay, you can check the installed WSL list VERBOSC. Here you can see the install WSL. Here in my case Ubuntu is installed. To open the install WSL, you can just click on WSL and hit enter. Okay, or you can click here and you open this any one of this. This is my Ubuntu machine on Windows. This is the WSL. You can check the uname -a. This is the Linux machine. Okay, in my Windows. To install the n8n on my machine, you need a Windows machine or Linux machine. Here in my case, it is a WSL machine. To install n8n, you need a Docker. Okay, I have already installed in Docker in my machine. You can check it. DOCKER Docker --VERSION. Here see, you can see Docker is installed on my machine. If you want to install the Docker on your WSL Ubuntu machine, just go to the here. I will put the link in the description. Here you can click on deploy with Docker. Okay, this is here. If you click here Docker, you can see this page. This is the command to install the Docker on your Linux machine. First use this command and then use this command. Okay, then go to the post installation, this command and this command, and then last to this command. You can check the version by using this. Okay, I have already installed Docker on my machine. Okay, you can check this. Okay, to install the n8n, Docker is required. Okay, to install the n8n, just go to this here. First, you have to create a volume. Just you have to create a volume. Copy it and paste it here and hit enter. It will create a volume on your local Ubuntu machine. Okay, then use this command, next command. This copy and paste it here. Here you can see this is the -d means detached mode, the name of the container, and this is the port, and this is the volume, host volume. Here your workflows will saved in this volume, and it is the container bound volume. Okay, and this is the name of the container. If you hit the enter, it will already it is download the container and run it. You can check it. DOCKER Docker PS. You can see your container is running. That means you can access the n8n. Just go to the browser and write localhost :5678. You can also see the n8n official GitHub pages, and here you can see the command. This copy the link and paste it here and hit enter. Here you can see this is the sign up page, first page. Here you put your email, first name, last name, and password. Okay, to put first name, here I have already put name, any name, your name, and this is the okay, and then you can put next. Okay, then you can just fill up the form, any others or any according to your need. You can choose it. Okay, then myself, company, and page, Google any, and then get started. Okay, if you install the this is, you can check it. You put your email ID and it is activation your key. You will get a key and you can activate it. Okay, license key. You can choose, skip it, or you can get a license key and put it here. Okay, right now you can just put a license key. Send me a free license key in this email. Go to here, click here. You will get a license key. Okay, you will get a license key. Go to the your email, and go to the email, and just you will see the license key. Just copy it, and then go to the your here, and go to the setting and uses and plan, and here you can unlock the sorry, just here you can just enter activation key, and then Control V, paste it here and activate. Your license is activated. Okay, and then go to the this is your workflow page. Okay, you can create a workflow here. You can create a workflow here from scratch. You can create a workflow, but just here click here, chat triggered, then click on escape, or here click, and then click on AI agent. Here you can put your chat model, any model you can get, Anthropic or any DeepSeek model you can put, and here you can put any tools. In this way, you can create a workflow and then save it, and you can name it any name, test workflow, test automation, auto. Okay, and save it. In this way, you can create a automation by using n8n. Okay, and it will save. If you close this, shut down and sign up. Okay, in this way, you can install n8n on your local PC. Why this is very important to note, that first you have to create a volume name, because if your container, this is the if your container restarted or your recreate the container, your workflow will saved in this volume, here in this volume. Okay, you can see this is the okay volume. If you restart your container, you can restart it, or stop it and restart it. DOCKER Docker stop, and this is the container ID. Copy, paste. Your container is stopped. You can check it. The n8n container is stop mode. DOCKER Docker PS. There is no command. DOCKER Docker PS-A. You can see your container is stop mode. If you restart your computer or start your container, n8n container, just use DOCKER Docker START and your container ID. Just copy, just copy and paste it here. Your container is running. You check the container, DOCKER Docker PS, and here you can see your container is running. Now you can access the container again, n8n local, and you can see your previous workflow is saved in this. That means you can, if your container is restarted or recreated, your workflow will saved in the Docker volume. Okay, if you want to learn how to create a Docker, I have another video. You can check it out. In this way, you can create a, or you can install n8n on your machine. This is a simple way. Okay, if you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.